Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a super exciting one, and this is going to be the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Holiday 2017 lip swatch video. So if you guys do or do not know, he just came out with his brand new collection for the holidays, and it comes in this beautiful holographic packaging right here. So as you can see, I got 3 liquid lipsticks and I also got 2 lip ammos. So we are going to be swatching all of these on the lips today, and I'm going to be showing you all of the colors that I got and what they look like and all that good stuff as well. So if you guys have not seen my last lip swatch video, that was the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Star Family Collection, which I just recently uploaded on my channel. You guys can go and check that out, but this one is going to be just focused on the holiday collection. So let's go ahead and get started. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the lip ammunitions first, and then we will finish off with the liquid lipsticks. And I got a nude, of course, and I also got a little bit more of a crazy color so we can kind of experiment today. But first, I just want to show you the packaging, because every time Jeffree Star Cosmetics comes out with a new launch, he really likes to kind of switch up the packaging a little bit. Here's an up-close view of what the packaging looks like. It is seriously so beautiful. I absolutely love the glitter. I love the shine. And this is what the lip ammunitions look like. They kind of look like little bullets or little vibrators, I think they look like. And it just has the kind of pink packaging with the glitter on it. And it is totally smooth. It's not gritty. The glitter doesn't come off or anything like that. So the very first color that I got from the holiday collection is Allegedly. And as you can see, it is a very beautiful brown nude color. The lip color that I'm wearing on my lips today is not a Jeffree Star lipstick, by the way. It's actually by ColourPop. Yeah, the one on my lips today is a ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip, and this is in the shade I don't even know, 951. So that's what I'm wearing on my lips today. It's not a Jeffree Star lipstick. But this one that I'm pulling out kind of looks a little bit similar, except it looks a little bit more brown toned. So that is what we are going to be starting with today. So I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and remove the lipstick that I already have on. And luckily I lip scrubbed and moisturized my lips, so we should be good to go. Alright, so first I'm just going to put a little swatch on my hand so you guys can kind of get a preview of the color and the consistency. So this one kind of looks like a darker version of Nathan liquid lipstick from the Star Family collection, and I feel like this color is going to go really nice with my like crazy eye makeup. So let's go ahead and swatch Allegedly on the lips. Okay, and here is what Allegedly looks like swatched on the lips. So for those of you who maybe do or do not know, the lip ammunitions are a more creamy version of his lipsticks. They are not as matte as his liquid lipsticks are. And as you can see, this one really brings out my eyes. This kind of reminds me of like Leo and Gemini combined, kind of. Alright, and then the next lip ammunition I got is kind of more of a crazy color, but I'm super excited to try this on because I've been really curious about it since this package arrived. And that is this guy right here, and this is the gray color from the collection, and this is Gargoyle. Now this is supposed to be like a very beautiful gray, purple, like, I don't know, just super like vampy gray lipstick. So I'm going to swatch it for the first time on my hand, and then we will swatch it on the lips. Ooh, this one is really, really creamy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there is what Gargoyle looks like swatched on the hand. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this. Oh my gosh, I'll have to do like a makeup look with this one, because like black smoky eye, big eyelashes like I'm wearing today, and this, woo! I am concert ready. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, and here is what Gargoyle looks like on the lips. I am seriously obsessed with this color. Oh my gosh, it is very true to what you get on the hand swatch, and it's also very true to what you get in the tube. So as you can see, it's kind of like a purple greenish gray toned lip color, and I don't know why I don't step out and get more crazy colored lips, because honestly, like, I think I rock this color. I really like it. This was very, very creamy. Another thing I noticed is this wasn't as opaque as as some of his other lipsticks. I feel like I had to do at least 3 layers to get it the opacity that I wanted. Is that a word? Opacity? I don't know, you guys know what I mean. But that is everything that I got for the lip ammunitions. Now we can go ahead and move on to the 3 liquid lips I got. And one of the liquid lipsticks I got is a metallic liquid lipstick. And this is going to be a first time ever for me. I have never purchased or tried one of his metallic liquid lipsticks before. So really super excited to give this specific one a try, which we'll leave that one for last. But the other 2 that I got are maybe going to be kind of boring to some of you because I did get the 2 nude colors out of the collection. Christmas Cookie and Human Nature. So we're going to go ahead and swatch those next. The very first one that I'm going to swatch for you guys is Christmas Cookie, and this is the lightest nude out of the holiday collection. But I'm also going, before I swatch, I'm also going to show you the packaging of these ones as well, because this is absolutely gorgeous. He has nothing like it that he's ever released before. So here's an up-close view of what the liquid lipsticks look like. Woo! Oh, look at that glitter. It is seriously amazing. It is gorgeous. And then we have like the little holographic Jeffree Star logo there with the little stars. It's just absolutely beautiful. Okay, so here's what Christmas Cookie looks like swatched on the hand. As you can see, it's just a really beautiful nude color. And to line my lips, I'm just going to use a natural lip liner by LA Colors. And then we can go ahead and swatch this beautiful lipstick. Okay guys, and here is what Christmas Cookie looks like swatched on the lips. This is such a beautiful, natural, pretty, very light pink toned nude color. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of like a lighter version of Celebrity Skin. I don't know why, I always like to compare things to Celebrity Skin for some reason, but oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is like a perfect, kind of like everyday wear nude liquid lipstick. The next liquid lip that we are going to be swatching is Human Nature, and I believe in his video he said that Human Nature is kind of like a sister to Androgyny, which you guys, if you don't remember, I believe the 2015 holiday collection he came out with Androgyny and ended up keeping it as part of his permanent line, which I do still have the white cap packaging from that launch, which is the first Androgyny that came out. And I'm actually going to be swatching these 2 next to each other so we can kind of see how similar they are. Androgyny is hands down one of my favorites from his collection, so I'm really curious to see how Human Nature kind of competes with that. So I'm just going to put Androgyny right here. So as you can see, it's kind of like a berry dark color. And next to that, I'm going to swatch Human Nature so we can see how similar they are. Oh man, you guys, holy cow. You can barely tell the difference. Dang. Okay, so over here on the far, what is this, right, we have Androgyny, and literally right next to that is Human Nature. Like, they are so similar. Androgyny looks like it has a little bit more of like pink reddish tones, whereas Human Nature looks to be a little bit more brown toned. So holy crap, but they are super similar. So if any of you are wondering between the 2, here's what they look like next to each other. Decide which one you like better and get one of them. I really feel like you don't need to have both just because they are super similar, unless you are like me and you're like a die-hard fan of Jeffree Star, then yeah, go ahead and get both. Let's do this. Alright, so sorry for the really crappy swatch. My lips are starting to get like really painful, so like the lip swatches are just going to get more and more shitty as this video goes on. But this is what Human Nature looks like, and I absolutely love it because, as you guys know, I already really love Androgyny. It is one of my favorites. Androgyny is like the #1 liquid lipstick that I reach for during the holidays. I wear it almost every Thanksgiving. Every time there's snow on the ground, I always just want to wear Androgyny liquid lipstick. I don't know why. It's just how my brain functions for some reason. And we have one more liquid lipstick left, which this one I am through the roof excited about because this is my first ever metallic liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I've never tried one before, and I took it upon myself to take this opportunity to try one on camera on my channel for you guys. I decided to get poinsettia for my channel to try it out for you guys so you guys can kind of see how it looks, and I feel like it's going to go really well with like my red eyeshadow and my red theme going on today. Alright guys, the time has come. It is time to swatch my first metallic liquid lipstick, and I'm not even going to swatch it on my hand because I don't want any inclination of what it's going to look like. I just want to put it on the lips and get a full, real, raw first impression of this. So I'm actually going to zoom you guys in a little bit so we can line and put this on my lips. So come on in closer. Oh my god. Okay guys, so here is what poinsettia looks like swatched. Oh my god, this is seriously so pretty. It looks more intimidating and scary in the tube than it actually does on the lips. And this is a very like beautiful true red color, and I have good news to report that I still think a red lip looks okay on me. You guys remember from me from my OG days know that red lips never really used to be my thing. I was always too afraid to wear them and I didn't think red looked good on me. But I think this color looks pretty nice, and this is like absolutely perfect for the holidays. This is like a perfect Christmas lip and it matches everything that I'm rocking with today, so I'm really happy with this. Okay guys, and that is everything that I got from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Holiday 2017 collection video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go down in the comments and let me know what color you liked best on me, and also go down in the comments and let me know what you got from this launch if you guys got anything. And don't forget to go down and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. But as always, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!